Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. The main issue that arises for our considerations in these transferred cases is as to whether all the information sought for under the Right to Information Act 2005 can be denied by the Reserve Bank of India and other banks to the public at large on the ground of economic interests, commercial confidence, fiduciary relationship with other bank on the one hand and the public interest on the other. If the answer to above question is in negative, then up to what extent the information can be provided under the 2005 Act stop. It has been contended by the RBI that it carries out inspection of banks and financial institutions of regular basis, and the inspection reports prepared by it contain a wide range of information that is collected in a fiduciary capacity stop. The facts in brief of the transfer case number 91 if 2015 are that during May 2010 stop, the statutory inspection of Industrial Estate Cooperative Bank Limited was conducted by RBI under the Banking Regulation Act 1949 stop. Thereafter, in October 2010, the respondent sought following information from the RBI under the Act of 2005 stop. In this matter, it has been alleged by the petitioner RBI that the respondent is aggrieved on account of his application from Form for 3-in-1 account with the bank and ICICI Securities Limited lost in the floods in July 2005, and because of non-submission of required documents, the trading account with ISEC was suspended, for which respondent approached the District Consumer Forum, which rejected the respondent's allegations of tampering of records and dismissed the complaint of the respondent stop. This appeal was also dismissed by the State Commissioner Stop Stanja. The first appellate authority concurred CPIO and held that inspection report cannot be supplied in terms of Section 8(1) of the RTI Act. The filed writ petition before the High Court challenging the order of the dated 14/11/2011 on identical issue, and the High Court stayed the operation of the order stopped. The Commissioner has also directed the Governor to display this information of its website from on 31/12/2012 in fulfillment of its obligations under Section 4(1) stop. Learned Senior Counsel put heavy reliance on the full bench decision of the Central Information Commissioner and submitted that while passing the impugned order, the Central Information Commissioner completely overlooked the full bench decision and ignored the same stop. According to the Learned Counsel, the bench which passed the impugned order is bound to follow the full bench decision. Stop. Over.